Dear members of Rotaract Club of Calcutta, what a pleasure talking to you this evening. The most important partners in service for us, as I see it, is Rotaract Club of Calcutta. You have lived to your legacy, and your president Shobhik was a big help and a constant support to me. It is usually seen that the Rotary Club of Calcutta is your support. I feel this year it is you who have been a big support to me. You have done wonderful projects. Some of us were with you and also contributed in your projects, and you have done work that is of par excellence. I'm also happy that Shayantoni has helped in formation of a few more Rotaract and Interact clubs this year. I was hoping to sponsor a lot more Rotaract clubs, at least 2, but we have successfully done with one Rotaract club, that is the George School of Law. I hope we not only increase Rotaract, the movement, and help sponsor more clubs, but engage amongst your members and our members and do productive work together. I welcome you to be a part of our entrepreneurship development cell, which has been started by Rotarian Devashish Biswas, and I think it will be only beneficial and a learning journey for all of us. So, welcome to the next team who takes over, and we hope to contribute positively for the Entrepreneurship Development Cell. All the best. Thank you so much.
Hello Shobhik and Sneha and the entire team of Rotaract Club of Calcutta. Congratulations on your 52nd Charter Day. Keep up your good work and active participation. My best wishes are always with all of you. Enjoy life.
I have been associated with this Rotaract Club of Calcutta since the year 98-99, and I have become a great admirer of this club. Over the years, this club has performed admirably in the Rotaract district of District 3291, and this year in particular under Shobhik, the activities of the club has risen to a level which is very difficult to scale in future. I wish that incoming President of Rotaract Club of Calcutta my best wishes and my congratulations to Shobhik and his entire team for the excellent performance that they have done during this year.
Good evening. I am Rotarian Devashish Mitra, President-elect of Rotary Club of Calcutta. My greetings to Rotaract Club of Calcutta as it celebrates its 52nd Charter Day. I am aware that this Rotaract Club is the oldest Rotaract Club in Adai District 3291 and has a very good record of providing selfless service to the underprivileged. I wish the club great success in its future endeavors and look forward to working closely with the club when I take over as the President of Rotary Club of Calcutta on the 1st of July. All the very best.
In the year 1970 or 75 as a member of the Rotary Club of Calcutta, where I became its president, and eventually in the year 1981 I became the district Rotary representative, that is DRR, from this club. I am fond of this club and I am proud to have been a Rotary actor from this club. You and your team have done a wonderful job of upholding the club's tradition and name, and I congratulate you and your team with best wishes. Thank you.
I am Tushar Basu, Rotarian from Rotary Club of Calcutta. I am the Director of Managerial Consultants engaged in HAD services, recruitment training since 1986. I was the Rotaract from Rotary Club of Calcutta from 1970 to 1976. My best wishes to the club and to you all, and hope the club will grow from strength to strength. I wish you success and happiness to you all. Thank you.
It makes me nostalgic to say something about Rotaract Club of Calcutta. It reminds me the days of 1980-81 when I was a student and the president of the club. I recall those days when we used to meet at the St. Paul's Cathedral Church, and after that we came to Nitish Chandra Lahi Library. I'm really delighted to know that club is celebrating 52nd Charter Day, and I wish a glittering success of the program. I congratulate all the members, including the president of the club. Thank you.
Hello everyone. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time or have seen me before and failed to recognize me, my name is Arya Sarbadikari. I've had the privilege of leading Rotaract Club of Calcutta for a number of years, and those were undoubtedly some of the best days of my life. I wish to extend my warmth and appreciation to the current torchbearers of the club for the wonderful job that they're doing in the community. Let this day remind us of the spirit of Rotaract and the rich history of this club. Wish you all the best. Thank you.